Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to start the conversation by addressing the fundamental points about AI. As we all know that artificial intelligence is the most crucial part, which is playing most crucial part in everybody's life. We have been pretty familiar with all the things like ChatGPT and many things. As a computer science student, we are even more familiar with those things of artificial intelligence and all. As I would like to start this discussion, and later on I would add some points after few of the people started speaking about it.
So thank you for giving this opportunity. I would like to say the best points about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence mainly it helps in many aspects of our life, helps in study purposes and building and make our tasks easy and comfortable and helps in taking the decisions very fluently and reducing the repetitive tasks which are button to the humans and makes it very comfortable and easy.
So guys, we know that every topic has some pros and cons. So while we are discussing about the pros, we have in the same section of the cons also, negative points also. So we are handling both positive and negative for one topic. So coming to this topic, artificial intelligence, we are discussing about the positive and negative. So coming to my positive side. While you are seeing this generation, so you are very dependent on the artificial intelligence. While you are searching for the problem, so generally it is difficult to identify the solution. So in this generation, by the usage of artificial intelligence, we are easy to identify the solution. So you are the students now. You are feeling difficult to identify the perfect solution of the problem. So you are going to an artificial intelligence ask. You can minimize this problem to give some correct solutions. It will give within seconds our correct solution. So I said artificial intelligence is very helpful for students by minimizing the complex problem.
Yeah, Hasni, you're absolutely right. AI can reduce the task to perform by humans, and we can perform the task more efficiently and accurately. But the one of the cons of the AI is it can replace the jobs. So due to that, the people may lose their jobs.
I disagree with you, Gayatri, because are you thinking that artificial intelligence really replace human resources? It's not, because we are the creators of artificial intelligence and not we are created by artificial intelligence. We have the creative intuition to for the decision making which artificial intelligence lacks on.
Even though we are the creators, one creator can do a lot of things that we can create the games or any solving problems. If we have the same idea regarding the problem, if another guy has the same problem, he can grab your answer and he can feed that answer in this solution, like GitHub. We can access many problems through the GitHub, where we can get the one solution. Through that, the AI will replace the jobs. According to the Google, around 2025, 85 million jobs has been replaced. So I think AI is the con also.
I disrespectfully disagree with that, because AI cannot replace all the jobs, because some jobs require human interaction. Like if you take any graphic designer, so the AI tools can do graphics designing, but for the client interaction, it requires humans. So I didn't agree with that.
You said that you need the client interaction. Regarding this, Odisha has launched and our Andhra Pradesh has launched the TV news reporter with AI, which can interact more attractive than the people.
Haven't you find ChatGPT giving wrong answers for your questions? The first time I have used, when I started using ChatGPT, I literally blamed ChatGPT that you are giving wrong answers. That you are giving, from my point of view, for this test case, your solution is not correct. I asked that, then it is saying that, sorry, that but again it is giving the same wrong answer. So to improvise it, we need to, we are the only one, right, to improve the ChatGPT, to enhance its features, but it can't be replaced. We can't be replaced by it.
Even the code is written by the human. If you write 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, then ChatGPT will give the same answer. If you write 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, then it gives the same answer. The ChatGPT can't decide their own answer. It is created by the human also.
That's what I am saying, that our intelligence can't be replaced by artificial intelligence.
I partially agree with her, but in reality, there are many of them are replaced by the AI jobs. Some of the jobs they require only AI for creation of something. So, with the time, they replace their jobs with the AI because some are more faster than them. So, ChatGPT is not the only thing in the AI. There are different types of AIs are presenting in reality. So, they are more advanced AI will be available in the next generation. So, it may be replaced. It may be replaced or may not be replaced, but some of the jobs may be lost because of AI. It is faster interaction and faster operation performances. So I think AI will replace some of the jobs, but not all.
I think the core objective of this AI is to assist us. That means it is designed to help us. But most of us will completely depend on that AI. That means it's better to use AI when we are having an error. But it's not to use AI when we have to develop the complete code. So many of the people will become lazy. That's the main concept about this artificial intelligence. So companies may use it to reduce their work by hiring employees. Hiring employees may cost them so much. They can easily use ChatGPT and all. But that's not good because we are humans and we have to be dependent. Okay? You will have some money, you have to give it to me so that we can exchange our jobs. But when we're using ChatGPT, it's not going like that. So our development will be completely reduced. So it's not better to use ChatGPT. And as we are discussing about it, whether it can replace our jobs or not, ChatGPT not only. Artificial intelligence is mainly concerned about some software and all. It cannot replace some human jobs. That means when we come into the management and all, ChatGPT cannot interact with humans. It can generate text, but it cannot speak like us. There may be some news channels and all, but they only give output which is pre-programmed inside. They cannot do some live interaction. So coming like managerial decisions and all, ChatGPT cannot take most of the jobs. That means many software jobs can be reduced. It's very pathetical situation. But it cannot replace all jobs. There may be many jobs which cannot be replaced by ChatGPT.
As some of you said, ChatGPT reduces jobs, decreases jobs. I completely disagree with it because to control ChatGPT or any other AI, to make it work, to update it time to time, many jobs will be created eventually. Many job positions like updating the past version and creating new version and making changes and many other things can be modified, can be updated with the requirement of humans only.
I'm partially with you, Kaushik, as you told that the ChatGPT, as this world is full of survivors, if you want to go on with this world, you need to have some potential with you. If you are really good at that, you can survive at any part of the world. If you are sitting like idle and keep on making statements like my job has been stolen by AI, there is no growth for me, just work on it. If you're really good at something, definitely not only AI, nothing can take your place or replace your place. And I'm completely opposing that statement you have made that AI can't, AI can't make interactions as human. As you can see, AI is not only about the chat GPT, AI is pretty bigger more than that. As you all can know, these robots are working on the basis of AI. Many robots are giving interviews, and some jaw-dropping statements has been made by the AI is that I will rule the world if I will become the leader. And the understatement is the Hitler wasn't wrong from my side. The two statements, I think you all are aware of those statements that a robot had made in an interview. I think AI can interact with the people, but not as good as us. But yes, AI can interact with the people. And these are the statements I'm opposing with you. Thank you.
Yeah, Hasni, you are right. And I want to add one more point that AI cannot replace all the jobs, but it can create new job roles in the fields like machine learning, data science. So it can increase the employment opportunities in industries. So new industries are formed, and yeah.
I would like to add some point with yours. That have you ever heard a word someone saying that I am a prompt engineer? Yes. What a prompt engineer uses. He usually make use of artificial intelligence tools that was developed. Like they can use ChatGPT to make their work faster and give a better solution efficiently. So from one side, ChatGPT is ruining some of the jobs which are related to human interaction with clients, but it is also creating jobs like prompt engineers. So that's why jobs are not getting lost because of the ChatGPT.
I agree with you, Bharati. Basically, AI will increase our jobs. So for developing AI, we need to level up our skills. In the field of artificial intelligence, have to level up our skills. Basically, as Bharati told, prompt engineering is trending in nowadays in other states like US or other. So basically, ChatGPT works on the prompt. When we are saying that we are getting the wrong output, etc., but you have to give any cut from basic on the what the artificial intelligence required. Take the skills. Take the input from us. It purely depends upon the prompt we are given.
Of course, as you said, Guna, everything has its own pros and cons. It all depends on you, on what you're taking, and what you're up to, right? If you're really interested in AI and you are that curious about talking about the cons of your AI, you can also know about the pros of the AI also. I think you can utilize the pros in your own way to accomplish a certain task. At that time, I'm pretty sure you will know that the AI is pretty good. AI is good in something that if you really want to achieve something. Of course, everything has its own pros and cons, but I think AI plays a crucial role in the pros part.
Actually, I'm saying that AI is prone are saying, but it depends upon the prompt we are giving to the task we are assigning to it or getting the output of it.
I think before making, it's not about you, but someone before making a statement, you should at least have some basic knowledge about some particular thing. If if a person is saying that the AI is giving wrong outputs, wrong statement, you should have a basic or particular knowledge regarding the ChatGPT and how should you give the inputs and all. Then